He's down on that.
Is he more?
Now jig it to the left there. A little bit to the left.
Can you see? Okay.
Can you guys see there?
Yeah. Thank you, Brandon.
No worries.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's a male. Which one? What is this, Brandon? You call him what?
A shovel male. Varicella.
Seems like a gaff out of his nose, eh?
No?
Did it again.
Anton, Brandon, Anton.
It's quite a big tom.
What's your lock here? He's flaming grimace. You see that?
Oh, beautiful. Wow.
He picked up a scent of